Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the power on key on HP Compaq 250. If the power on key on your laptop isn't working for some reason and you cannot use it to, for example, make your laptop go to sleep or shut down, that may be because it has been disabled in the control panel. So let's go to the search and search for control panel. Okay, now let's open that. And here you need to go to system and security, then you'll see power options, and under them you'll see change what the power buttons do. So click on that, and now you'll see when I press the power button and when I close the lid, and you can assign different actions for when on battery and when plugged in. So I'm running on battery now, and for example, if I set the power button to shut down and click on save changes, remember to click on that after it, then it will shut down. And if your power on key didn't work before, it may have been because these options might have been set to do nothing. And now I'm gonna show you if it works. On the keyboard you can see the power key. You can click on that or press and hold. Let's see. Yes, I've held for like half a second and now it has shut down. If this doesn't work for you, then you may need to press harder or longer, because sometimes it just doesn't catch the press if I press too gently. So do it harder and hold for longer, then it should work. And if it still doesn't work, that may be an issue with the key itself mechanically. So I would take it to a technician so they can solve it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.